Wondering how people are making money online? Watch this video to learn. You no longer have to be employed in order to make money. In fact, people of all ages are looking online to earn extra income. There is no reason why you should be limited by the poor economy. All you need is a working internet connection and a device that allows you to connect online. Plus, you can easily benefit from the helpful advice below. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Enter contests and sweepstakes. By just entering one contest, your odds aren't great. Your odds are substantially better, however, when you enter multiple contests regularly. Taking a little time to enter a few free contests daily could really pay off in the future. Make a new email account just for this purpose. You don't want your inbox overflowing with spam. With regards to earning money online, never pay a fee to make money. You do not want a business that takes money from you. Such firms will probably just rip you off. Steer clear of these businesses. If you want to make money online, have accounts set up with both PayPal and Amazon payments. Many websites and income opportunities use one of these two methods to pay you for your work. This is especially true of PayPal in general online, so at least have that account set up. Working online is likely not to make you a millionaire overnight. Even Perez Hilton or Arianna Huffington had to work hard to get their sites to be popular. The same goes for you, whether you are writing SEO videos or designing websites. Don't let frustration cause you to quit if you don't strike it rich quickly. Start your online earning today by following the great advice discussed in this video. Earning money is not as hard as it may seem, you just need to know how to get started. By choosing to put your right foot forward, you are heading off to a great start earning money to make ends meet. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.